Beneath your ribs, hidden between the steady rhythm of your lungs and the quiet churn of your liver, lives a cauldron of controlled chaos, the stomach. It looks calm from the outside, but inside, it's a world of acid storms, bubbling enzymes, and microscopic battles. Every meal you eat, every sip of coffee, every slice of pizza is tossed into this fiery chamber where hydrochloric acid, strong enough to dissolve metal, goes to work breaking down your food. Yet what's truly astonishing isn't just the power of your stomach, it's the fact that it constantly survives itself. If this acid can melt iron nails in a lab, why doesn't it burn a hole through you? The answer lies in one of biology's most extraordinary acts of self-preservation. Your stomach literally rebuilds itself every few days. Deep within its walls, billions of cells work like a tireless repair crew, replacing old tissue before the acid can corrode it. It's a cycle of destruction and renewal, a living paradox where something destroys and heals itself at the same time. Imagine it. Every 3 to 4 days, the entire lining of your stomach is shed and replaced, like a snake shedding its skin, but on a microscopic scale. Old cells that have faced the acid's fury too long are gently pushed aside, and new ones rise from the crypts. Tiny pockets at the base of your stomach lining where stem cells divide endlessly. It's like watching a city rebuild itself while fires still rage in the streets. If this renewal ever stopped, even for a short while, your stomach would digest itself from the inside out. The protective mucus that coats its walls, the specialized cells that neutralize acid, the quick turnover of tissue, they form a delicate, high-speed balance between life and destruction. One small failure in this renewal process can lead to ulcers, bleeding, or worse. Yet, for most of us, this rebuilding happens quietly, flawlessly, day after day, unseen and uncelebrated. Think of your stomach as both a warrior and an architect. It fights to protect you from harmful microbes that enter through your food, killing invaders with acid baths. But at the same time, it constructs its own defenses with precision timing. In a single moment, one cell might be dissolving while another is being born just beside it. It's an endless relay race of survival that's been running since the dawn of human evolution. Over millions of years, our ancestors adapted this remarkable regeneration process because nature had no other choice. To contain acid that strong, the stomach had to evolve a way to constantly heal. Even more fascinating is that this self-repair system is guided by chemical messages, hormones, and microscopic signals that tell the stomach exactly when and where to rebuild. It's like a secret conversation between your body's tiniest architects. Now, picture the stomach as a restless ocean. Waves of acid crash and recede while mucus barriers rise like shields, protecting fragile cells beneath. Every bite you eat sends ripples through this ocean. The brain signals food incoming, and the stomach responds instantly, flooding itself with digestive juices. The old cells, already worn and weakened, fall away like sand washed by the tide, while new cells emerge, fresh and strong, ready to face the next storm. It's not just survival, it's a rhythm, a biological symphony of renewal that keeps your entire digestive system alive. If you could shrink down small enough to witness it, you'd see the lining glowing faintly with life, millions of cells pulsing and dividing, each one part of a cycle that began before you were born and will continue until your last heartbeat. This hidden miracle connects to something much bigger, the nature of life itself. The stomach's regeneration mirrors the pattern found in every living thing: destruction balanced by creation, decay followed by renewal. Just as forests regrow after fire, your stomach rebuilds after acid burns. You are, in a very real sense, a constantly renewing being. The body you have today isn't the same one you had last month, and your stomach, more than any other organ, embodies that truth. It reminds us that resilience isn't about being unbreakable. It's about the ability to rebuild after every challenge, to renew even in the face of constant pressure. So the next time you feel hunger, remember what's happening beneath the surface. A silent, invisible rebuilding, a cycle that has protected every human since the beginning of time. Your stomach doesn't just digest food, it embodies the story of endurance written in every cell of your being. Every few days, it tears itself down and starts anew. A reminder that even in the most turbulent environments, life finds a way to rebuild, stronger and wiser than before. And that's perhaps the most incredible secret your body holds. Beneath every bite, every growl, every moment of hunger lies a living proof of regeneration, an eternal flame of survival burning quietly inside you.